Hello, my name is Mary Louise Mitchell, and I'll be doing a monologue from The Seagull by Anton Chekhov. The bodies of all living creatures have crumbled into dust, and the eternal laws of matter have transformed them into rock, into water, into clouds, and their souls have melted into one soul. And I am that one soul. Once in every 100 years, I raise my voice to speak, and the sound echoes melancholy through the void. And no one hears. Not even you hear me. The stagnant marsh engenders you towards the pasture, and you wander until dawn, unthinking, unconsenting, lacking the vital spark. And for fear that life might quicken within you, the devil, the father of material forces, shuffles your atoms in continuous flux and reflux, as he does in rock and water, so that your fate is never-ending change. Like a prisoner thrown into a deep, empty well. I don't know where I am or why I'm waiting. Everything is hidden from me. But within my deep, brutal struggle with the devil, the father of material forces, I am destined to conquer. And when I do, matter and spirit will merge in glorious harmony, and the kingdom of universal freedom will be born.